Right, I was for me chacha obia e mo bia kwaba e de ba by grace to this music trade am ponya ko kwa no sia obia ho ye and anyone somewhere where my Ghana of course yeah you know say the regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party in Ashanti, the Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party says yeah abeto dwa say ene Accra High Court say there be o hwe ni nsemu ni ade ano also upon patwa bankuku efishia due 20 years and afenya no ko 10,000 penalty and so can yeah no Ushemwa 120,000 Ghana cedis 1.2 billion and only called was here the about chama Wontumi yes Abraham no ka say there it no a free Accra High Court e court so we question free share do no asotwe yeah they abon no we question say na Abraham no ka say there's a new twist there but in and say na lawyer for about bontia be kasa yeah omo nsem omo kan say omo ahye processes ase to appeal atemu ane free the Accra High Court abana I for say well one shall see a appeal and not just the lawyers in Kwa members of the New Patriotic Party I am paying for and so about Tia Bekasa one almost see omuji tu wa enye esan say omo de almost omo kan na so mo hwe mu a omo hu ne say se bia chama Wontumi afomo ankasa bi e na bran ne die na mom omo de omo ni tutu nsene ni hwe nsem a ye say amanyoko anasa amanyo mu nsensem e na ban atie akunya su ehwe womo a aye the political opponent na watata womo atete womo nti and I'm gonna come and say celebrate chama Wontumi 20 years of akutwa yes so quickly there is an official release from the general secretary of the New Patriotic Party yeah Okasa and the afasan someone say and the 20 years jail term chama Wontumi eco survey in Sawam prison so on your screen the official communique from the New Patriotic Party yeah the na fa chama Wontumi ko do dia bono enti omu chire no ne ya sisi alom de ba bon say fellow Ghanaians members of the media distinguished patriots the good afternoon as we release here na isumunya mai and what you say the New Patriotic Party has become aware of the judgment delivered today by the High Court in the case involving our Ashanti regional chairman Mr. Bernard Nchubu, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi so omo MPP amyoko no omo te ko do na day the Accra High Court the abo odwonyam for Bernard Nchubu na Asante mantem dwontreni the ma osnuko proko amanyoko no na no mo to so mo chem say we address you today with profound disappointment but also with an unwavering commitment to the rule of law, constitutional democracy and the pursuit of justice so say bro mo come Ghana for unity dey kan say omo I disappointed omo di ya nya ya odi ekito no omo di fa dey sie no then so omo di ya ni na omo come obi ate say omo di omo osnu kokoko amanyoko no ya chesechema Wontumi kan obi no omo di ni buo so popa na ma Ghana mala the rule of law afei ya man ya mra queen ya dey say ya man ya kama men kebu amamo democracy omo di so ko na ma no and afei atenten ni papa yen so omo odidie pa in the pursuit of justice. Then say, while we respect the authority of our courts, respect for the judiciary does not require silence in the face of judgment. That is fundamentally flawed. Then say, court said the city here. Then so my Ghana man say baby touch ma na ehun say bia atemo bi ekoso I say 20 kakra koso akwa hadwe a na say o won come to there be say atemo bi koso no say I say we dey achia kakra sana bi before ne kan omo enyi ntumu a ne say omo say yi kakra bibi ensi omo kwan say omo kan to be have every right to babon to obekasa e dey found no so babon to omo kasa omo chema say our constitution guarantees every citizen the right to disagree with judicial decisions and to seek redress through the appellate process say they can say ya man Ghana mra no obi akwan say court to cast na won tiase a Wontumi ekose asema court ka ho ntiase now the court e bia court or when ni chen court na aka asema so almost sabre and only na muntu a MPP amyoko no betu dia fa chama Wontumi 20 years jail term no 20 years jail term no obetu dia fa ho after obetu so you know say ladies and gentlemen it is our considered view that Chairman Wontumi has been convicted in circumstances where there was no evidence at all to support a conviction in respect of the offense with which he has been convicted. Don't say omo di omo before omo di ye pa say and na Chairman Wontumi na ko to afiase say go twa fi share duoni omo di ye pa say ko do di abo no ene bua ye bua no fo ye na ko to afiase no adanse bia ni ho ya ebetumi a kire say o Chairman Wontumi ko na ko to afiase call you the ball no ho adanse bi that be before say omo hwe mu adanse bia ni wo ya ejina fa pibie pa che say ampa wontumi kwa call you the ball no nyina so ye nti e ma ye ne koto afiase na bi omo si bibia say no afi want to also say it was never disputed that Chairman Wontumi lawfully acquired this mineral concession. So when you come obi at Chairman Wontumi of amra kwan so na babia asase a na o tu former gudi e wo no of amra kwan so onya asa concession na onya asase no into of amra kwan so na onya ye ya and the omo come obi at na omo chem say sa same way a omo kan say Chairman Wontumi of amra kwan so onya mineral concession no ya de a court e beto dwa ho e ma court kwa jitu Chairman Wontumi of amra kwan so and a 1 year mineral concession. Now, for what was normal say, the central question was whether that concession had been assigned for transfer in violation of the law. It's our respectful view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wontumi. So say, as I said, Chairman Wontumi, the Omunyaji to say, court, Kraji to say, Chairman Wontumi kra, a year to me krata, the Antimo to a former good year. Name the na abe asem wa dam fifi a na asem wa yina ye tiri sere ni abasa na court egbobo we say Chairman Wontumi afoma gudi ya wotu bia wotu no say tumi mu ya niam ya se fata ya transfer di ama no na anase transfer ni ade course no etia Ghana mra anase etia Ghana mra no na aya asem wa ejina court ho ni say omo hwe nsem na mu na the substantive issue of course na no so omo kan obi at say adanse bia ni wa san omo kan say it is our respectful view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wontumi. You say, omo hwe nsem no e court na mu a adanse bia ni ho ye chese bia Chairman Wontumi transfer to me ye kwa no so otimi tu former goodie bi said the ma will be and also to na ho be tsa o so bia sa adanse bia sa entimi ama me piem court and o chem say the prosecution could not produce any evidence to show that Wontumi had assigned his mineral rights. You know, so the Omo can say, Omo Shem Omo say, Atemo na course, only at the end, so you to say, any near session, so now. I don't see a bien to me about me told you, say, Chairman Wontumi, Ukinsana, more, say, Bia, the men to me a crown or transfer, said the say, now effort. And I don't see about four, that's why I signed the mineral rights now. I have to also say, instead, the convention rested on assumptions and inferences which in our view could not amount to proof beyond reasonable doubt. Despite the fact say Chairman Wontumi omo che say adanse bia ni we che say bia otie bibi etia Ghana now so the violation of the law if I saw transferred mineral rights now omo de omo kan am obi ate say omo say ne Chairman Wontumi aye bua na fon say on ko da fiase infinishia due 20 years no eye said ye bia binum adwen ye omo ene said ye binum etanse a omo analyze na omo hu no but not based on the rule of law. It's no yeah someone MP on the code can say. Say it is based on assumptions and inference. Yeah, just assumptions and inference. No. Wontumi entri nya dance wontumi nkyeremu ama enko wieye wo bramu. You cannot prove this beyond reasonable doubt. So, it's no more can. And for what we say, that is why we firmly believe that this conviction is a travesty of justice and has to be overturned on appeal. There be on your consent more can be that say. Omo de omo hwe nsem na mu a omo ze Chairman Wontumi eye ene afiase ne kotu fi chede no eye atentene na ye bu emumienu eye atentene pepepe ye se ye man Ghana ye black city no ene ye bu mienu ye no nti omo de omo ka ahye omo amanyo community for that for na bo say kon bia so sa ne ko yo de abo Chairman Wontumi e wo so omo ko ye ho appeal na appeal ye dan no na Chairman Wontumi entidi eno any as well be on your phone eka after almost fellow Ghanaians equally disturbing is a broader context within which this prosecution has taken place. To what also say, a troubling pattern is emerging in our country, a pattern where the government appears eager to shield its own while relentlessly pursuing perceived political opponents who have done no wrong. So say, omo de omo ni to form no say aban etie kunwase wa we ataso ase ono anama yokomu nkofo de obo omo ban omo ono anama yokomu nkofo de or the Ghana man no bo omo ban na mom omo ni ama yokomu ba akumu na mo ama yokomu from de abia bia na say or the man tata omo say before he came or the man tata omo ama asem kra bia aba na bi omo san kedi kwase kwase and am say enye aban etie kunwase ama yokomu ni pa na opposition party na omo de mbale si omo abu edi agu omo so na asem bi omo yokono omo eka ha nti o se mpo akamia ko esa aban otie kunya so amayeko odo ya aka no opposition parties no se de pan nya fon so kwa sa na omo kan afi omo to so ye won say today the John Mahama-led NDC government may seek to celebrate this conviction as evidence of its commitment to the fight against illegal mining, where there is evidence of Galamsey on a large scale engaged in and supervised by leading members of John Mahama's government. Enti, every before see enka bobi ase. Every anei, atemu ya aba for chama Wontumi. Boko baby abo kum nifa na aban ete akunya so ni aban mu mpelifo. Omo be ni andi ba jibo sese o. Emra na ye adwuma, omo tu eye Galamsey so sane ade. Then so omo people before there. Omo kan ama aban ete akunya so ate. Aban mu mpelifo ni Ghana man ni wiase man na ate. CS so se wo Ghana ha. Omo na ate. Civil society organizations obi ate se. Enti sa da na aban ga se chama Wontumi atemu ode aban or Kotia Galamsey ya amanfo enfamra kwan so enam koti kwan so bone kwan so tifuma gudie ya enti sa so mo mutimi aka mo bia tse sa abre kura ma na okase aban ya tie akunya so omo mu ni pa bi eda so a etu Galamsey bi omo ni pa bi da so a etu efama gudie ya chese ni nyina no eye obi kura ho a chese aban ya tie akunya so mu ni pa na ehye sa afọ na se ehye obo kutu kwan ebe obo tu Galamsey no ezi aban ka se necha ma Wontumi asem a esie eno nti ehye se otu Galamsey so a omo de omo na nya atwe kra afọ omo to so be omo say reject that narrative entirely omo de omo ka mo bi ate se sound komodie ne sansem no omo titu wenye ye omo abato kra se de etie afọ omo to so be omo say they think that the conviction of Chairman Wontumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for such failure. It's what people say. Aban na tie kunya sezi a wa fail wo Galamsey fight enti no aban na tie kunya so no adwen e before na account adwen say e bia nei Chairman Wontumi ye bo anfo tie fa ko to afiase fi hye dioli na ma Ghana fo ni agise wo nya sa de a ndisi aban tie kunya so obu to na mo e de afa Galamsey e fo magudie yetu no omo say anti sa de biara da obi tu ma enyi afom say this is no trophy. The Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively prosecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. They almost say, Ghana for in any, Ghana for in who the Ecoso, ya will be an himself. Somebody I'm not say, just say, I say, a ban was that's what I say. One more, I didn't yaman your call back, no one call from me. There's no Quadan Chenya, almost say, one more me a ban yaman your call back, no one call from no. A ban was that, so I take to Mumpus, I want your bonnet. But because bia so atete with the more thing na no kwadan nchen ya afi omo se aban no ensem bebre Ghana fo bisa ya ensem Ghana fo na bisa say ye wo omo e wa aban mu edisi abete kuna bisa abre ya nipa bi edi omo abobom din say omo tu Galamsey omo tu fuma gudie omo bi ko wa the petition akọ ye aban na say so hwehwe omo nyema mi ade so je na so ye ni ade na e kai die sie ya omo che say ebesi na aban ntimi nto na mo bi etisa enti say aban no ekman ko yesi bia Chairman Wontumi die enti Ghana for bo mu sama no entisa eno ya asem before eka se da bi entisa kra isa se wono na ma ne komu nipa ba ete kunya so eni se ma ne komu nipa afanya no kwa abaya ete kunya so ebu mpanfo bia ye de omo afora fore Galamsey hu sensem na so besi ne ye ntehwe emfa no ya asem before ka after say ladies and gentlemen, we also wish to state that Ghana faces challenges far greater than political persecution. So say since you Ghana to me, or honey, money, or my Ghana, them no. I will say, maybe I'm on your comu, who probably money, Payan Quateti, or Yanquachi, or Yadi Debbie. I mean, before seeing Kamu be access, I will mind Ghana, how I will know. I will sign him on Supra. I've also say, at a time when our nation is grappling with growing security threats, the devastating impact of illegal mining on our cocoa farmers and farming communities and the areas owned by the farmers, the government's inadequate response to recent flooding across the country, and the increasing menace of terrorism within the sub-region, Ghanaians expect leadership that demonstrates urgency, competence, and an unwavering commitment to protecting lives, livelihoods, and national security. And tell me before say, Sabri buy a woman Ghana for 30. Ghana for her has anything before it come. Sabri woman Ghana for 30. Na bamba won sen san kwa to atwe afei edu ba bi kra na ekamia kwa ese efuma gudie Galamsey na no onongo ebinumu tubi onom na no kwa de leg bosom twe sabi nkono bi na abekọ nipa bi akoso to Galamsey ye na ya date ate mu asabe nyame adom o yeso mo yi o maska wote sefu obekọ du jama man kraso ni ade chese Ghana ha ba bia yet young chemasu, your domayo, your young bear, some truffle shows a Galamsey near the Galamsey says Yano, a gentle. Yeah, of course, why am I baby, Fabia, a big cosso. It's a binary and the MPP couldn't pay for just say. Galamsey, of course, why am I got some boy in a kind of ya. Yeah, Accra could do baby say, almost crowd the beer, for say, almost and sassy say, almost mean the Accra or what me at your more every swabber. Being I Galamsey won't say, that should be a dear year by now. You don't quite. Now we are near kind of 1 year. And I said, Okon Cryam at HMC, a banner at HMC, now a year about blood and health. I said, that should be a dear here, buying also what you have Saturday. Yes, Abia, say, Yan Tete, I'm a call from Munipa, Yan Ha, I'm a call that I don't have here, Ghana for this year. It's a senior bureau, there are far greater issues. I was a buying, I'm going to be calling someone before I can. And I felt what was him, and I'm walking on which him say. Empo promotion wa of a terrorism so can make Ghana for call Burkina Faso more compared to tomatoes and the Abami go come here. Almost in a near my house abandonment any cost. Name yes, sir. I mean, sir, political opponents and now be persecuted or more. Said, yeah, it's almost a political persecution. We are someone to that. And I thought what was say the government should attempt to divert public attention from those pressing national concerns through selective prosecution designed to create the appearance of success. So say, I'm people for the moons are buying that shit. So, person chicken of going now, drink free or money more, Danny or any money of cosmos. It's what I said, so any young feeling see, I'm your cool, yeah, or money and now I'm your cool for your opponent. One way, you see a kind, or 1 year more about 2 more Ghana. Na yan chi omuni pasa na before count. Say the be beboa na ama atwigana for the from money ama how ya money Ghana for them so. Aba sansen we say so. Ti no say kakra om here to. Okay, abusi ya to so say. Finally, let me assure all members of the new okay, it also say. Okay, yes, there was a good announcement. I for say the Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively prosecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his party and government. I feel to also be more, or indeed the president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in Galamsey. It was a banner crap. I just to say, or don't have a tear. You probably be one more Galamsey. It is a society the almost are buying say a dear animal two year more thing animal two bay and now a waffle papa be a buying two. And therefore, no one call for or say or more Galamsey. Of say, who are those members of the president's party that are engaged in Galamsey and of which the president knows of? So, Musa Bani say, I buy no more, I buy a tear. I'm calling Pam Bay and I saw Bromo Eka Galamsey. Now, the amount of banner or take place, too, at their found. After or say, a brown in some contain that petition on the petition called Yoko, and just say, and Penifal Duaka, government agency Audoyaka, a far NBC national organizer, Ura Joseph Yamin, and after NBC first vice chairman, Abanga Yakum, Yamin Betoja, a leg say, or Moya Galamsey, among for be alleged here. Almost some of the petition called to Yoko Economic and Organized Crime Office. I swear, Omobusayo Raman Penny, a better officer. Sa petition on the baton. I could say, what has happened to all my party members? Yeah, alleged say, or more I Galamsey. I almost said, Busabo take us say, Oko Afano Souta, and Rashibe Jenia or Tia Kunyaso. I Honorable Muhammad Yakub, yeah, NDC and before Afano South. Yes, as Santiman Temuya. Or then a bank in the DC. Yeah, a better than question one call him behind fee. I'm on him up and say, or more Galamsey and assassin. It's your own throne. Almost about Tia Kunyaso said, a Diana Mutu. And our buying at the phone. Say, baby, Bama, or not someone you call me, baby, or more Galamsey, and Mado. It is a question of the central government. I better take us. I thought we say, Oko, I will win, swa. Yeah, was Western Hobby, yeah. And this machine journey or take us. We young for Oscar or for real. Also, I don't know about the code. I don't know this year one patron by code. You say, oh, to Galamsey. Yeah, Empo. Just a simple Ghana coalition against Galamsey. Or we now want to call you say, oh, to Galamsey. I'm going to say about it. I said, yeah, the one is go to Edia Far on Moyan for them. And as one more camera could say, South way now, Bobo, then before Bobo, the Omocatting now. Almost to Galamsey. Yeah, if you call the iron for any and before, I can't now because I probably feel on one here there. enti ni na moto na boy to dia fa sa boy to na mo bia fa ho dia ade na chama Wontumi kra se bi o mpi for o say a political prosecution. There's a almost tete one more better kunya so form of persecution bi say yen tie open the entity o ma na ekoso tina na bedu sa bre e wa ba ntimi to na mo bia fa for no one part mu enipa one more etu Galamsey bi and I thought was not say why has the nation not witnessed the same level of urgency and determination in those matters. So we say ade na sa fo nyina ya isu se o mo ya ban mu nipa no ebesi ne aban no emfa ho pre ye o de pre no ho e wo se ma Wontumi se mu ma da bia court ni ade ya di asem ebua no ade na sa o be pre na one farm pre no ho e wo san sense mu alpha nti on na ma de ko mu nipa e be pem sa pre after what also say justice cannot be selective. Let's say pe ye attention ni a ye ntimi nya yi mu se o we dey e be man attention ni we dey ha da bi to so de basa na ya ha twe pa enso na making kan kan na kan wa o maka say how Ghana for them no enye bi enye sent was aban no edi na oyen hwe ha sa said e be ya sabi odna ni be si amanko mu ni pa ofro that's on say o man Ghana ye tete o man Ghana ha o che say flood and hon sensem koso Galamsey yi di pa be na ye se kokofo afiafo ni o ma eni ade amanfo tete insecurity koso o man mu wasi niema we na niema was aban man ni kon na mum nye se obetete the political opponents and also yes bi o mo ka and afi o mo se ka e dey chere aban o tie kunya so say the fight against illegal mining cannot become credible only when it targets political opponents in respect of whom evidence of wrongdoing does not exist while overlooking allegations involving others especially from the president's own party. It's almost a mo ka e dey chere aban o tie kunya so say some illegal mining Galamsey won sense yentimi ntusu sapre kope ewa abra ye de eri be si amayeko ya omo kan ye ho emu nipa kwa na ya ni ayanko ofo isusu omo de omo kan ho no de be ye ni na ye de mbra no be krokro ma bo omo ban e ba sa emoa na yentimi tupo e na afo omo ka ya chewa pe se oman Ghana sa be bia man Ghana be du no ani omo ehia oman Ghana ye bi ni se ye tete amayeko mu nipa amayeko ofo mu nipa omo ne ye de amayeko ba the Ghana for how any amani be no bobo so no afo say no government should attempt to divert public attention from those pressing national concerns through selective prosecutions designed to create the appearance of success. Nobody can say. Or say, and you can say, "Ben bia should also they got the political opponent." Aquachino and I say, "Me take next time as well." Say, "Beya, me Ghana my ma adwene free or my name wide den." So, any concept, sir. Yes, and be okay. And I thought also say, finally, let me assure all members of the New Patriotic Party and the good people of Ghana that Wontumi is not alone. You have to work at that trip. Ghana, my man, any MPP, teacher, MPP, I'm going to say, Wontumi is not going to say, anyone on Kwanako, he's not alone. That's where Liverpool, you never walk alone. Wontumi will never walk alone. And here back. Now, almost I can be able to say, and of course, there's no justification for the judgment since the judge obviously ignored clear evidence exonerating Wontumi. Because say atemo ya koso le just obi antimi ya so obi an fa nche die nti atemo say akoso na bi esan say omo de omo kan obi ati say temoni no every time so say adanse awdo obi e ho a na betimi akwa na koso chama Wontumi kwa ne hu so no the temo for the court no e she da bunani go say be ya obepe kwan bia so na wa convict chama Wontumi na ko dey fiase for 20 years but the NPP the New Patriotic Party yanka e mo obi an say that shouldn't have been the case nti no sense no bia omo ka. And I've what us not say. The party stands firmly with him. There's outbreak before seeing come up say. Despite the SCB and almost here, straight away, almost standing firmly with Chairman Bayadentibo and Chubo Siakoye, the Ashanti Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party. After finally almost say, yeah, come up to say, our legal team has already commenced the necessary steps to challenge this judgment through the appeal process. Sabi I'm not saying here. Our come will be to say, appeal Roma shall say, yes. Until Chairman to 20 years in prison. No? And so almost the processes I say, yeah, almost appealing the ruling of the Accra High Court. It has the battle has just begun for the appeal against the ruling, and the Accra High Court. Yeah, but I want to go there for 20 years after 10,000 penalty units. And on the way to I said 1.2 billion, 120,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, and so 3 years, but I think they're running simultaneously. It's also Accra, yeah, Babutuja, and I've what I was saying. The MPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. It's almost before you move to Wontumi or a political prisoner. That's if every national that almost say, "Oh, let's say, I'm going to take national that said, or young political opponent." You better tell no let na go 12 years sa na before original secretary earlier to omo no say may God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Nyame sure your mind Ghana no my your mind enye yi omo your mind enye from omo your mind enye kese ni nyina brand tikata Justin Frimpong Kodia Esquire lawyer Justin Frimpong Kodia no general secretary of the New Patriotic Party na the Abuja say yen kan MOB and Abuja for comment below comment section what do you also say about the Asama GFK the Abuja do you agree with GFK say on the who say just a way to prosecute political opponents just say bia Wontumi odifo bibi mu emom omu say abina sheda say o twen Ghana for adwen attention e dey feel man na emu aye den no so enema Ghana for here on chese nye bi nie enti abina sheda say be obey Ghana for na adwen e dey feel man na emu aye den so say be ya Ghana for adwen ba Wontumi ase bi so na no abeg the subject of argument no obi say oh any abina ya ade abina kutia Galamsey ni ade but enti you agree with the New Patriotic Party their stance, and also since the MPP before, I shall say with appeal. What do you also say? What do you also have to say about the appeal against the ruling, which led to Wontumi being in prison for 20 years, as well as a sum of 10,000 penalty units, which translates to 120,000 Ghana cedis. For comment, bra, na you're making kind. Na fidia ke bia so me ni kwapena wo so that's how cheap na wo share more by Grace TV so come on Montes na wo ye dia man e bro nyame kan wo be pe bi hia makra bye bye.